we're gonna add from mesh. Okay, now this is a sphere. We have different views. Look at this view, wireframe mode. In wireframe mode you can see through. Okay, if you go to object mode, edit mode, now you can see you can add through. If I come wireframe mode, now you have to select. I need to delete upper part of this shape. This is not properly. Control as well, you can see through. Control Z. If you press Control Z, you can see all through. Now if I select the upper part, you see I can see properly. Now right click and then you have to dissolve, delete vertices. If you delete vertices, you can have this. Okay, so please press A and then you can select all of them. So scale it along Z axis. Okay, Z axis. When you press S and then Z, you can scale along Z axis. Now the bottom bit, you can get rid of the bottom as well, but if you don't want to get rid of the bottom, just try to select the vertices. If I select it properly, yes. Now this time you go to dissolve vertices, but you do the same thing. Now guys, select A. You can see all of them selected, but here I'll go to select and check deselect. Check or deselect. What does it do? It select one of the vertices and then leave the other one. Okay, click this. Very good. Now you see when you press this, you can observe some of them are black, some of them are orange. The orange ones are selected and the black ones are not selected. Okay, so if you go to this mode, like solid view mode, you can see the by pressing Z as well, you can see solid mode here, right? But you can look at the top right as well. Here I have to go through the process. So A for all, select, go to mesh and select and then checker deselect. Now if you scale it, right, you can get different idea, different design if you want. Let me do one more thing. Control Z. I need to select the upper complete row, so it should not deform my thing. Shift and Alt. See the upper line I have selected. Now if you scale it in or out, so you can have different designing. Okay, so practice the design. But one more thing I'll do before that. Control Z. I'm going to add a solidify modifier so we can have smooth surface. My computer, it takes some time. Yeah, and you have to increase this level up to 3. You can see you have very smooth object. Now it is selected, so you can scale it. Now if you want to select the middle part or maybe the bottom part, right, you can design more. This design I have printed, I think, yeah, that's the one which I printed, so you guys can work with this. Now this is different design. If I just go Control Z, if I want to do something else with this, if I select faces, okay, same thing you can do with the face. Go to select A, press all of them, or you select all of them, then select where's that? Now in this one you don't have to select the top bit, okay, the top bit, because it will deform your object. If I have selected now if I come here guys to extrude individual object, so when you extrude this, it will you can see you can make different design with this. Or if you select different let's see, go to the select A, deselect the top bit, or maybe you can select this way, wireframe mode, and select this way so you can easily work on it. See, Still it's not properly selected. Anyway, some of them you have to select. By holding shift, you can select and deselect. Okay, if you can't see that. Let's see if I go to another, back to the other mode, shift, hold shift, the one which you did not select, select it. The one which you don't want, deselect them. Let's see, select these ones as well. Hold shift. Now, if you extrude these guys, extrude individual, okay, you can do practice with each of them and see how you get stuff done. Right now, look and see, if I push in, it give me different design. See, if I push, scale it outside, out, push it out, it gives me a different other design. Okay, so practice with this. That's the task for you.